Alright, it's December 9th. It's 11:29 p.m. I was just about to empty the cat pans and rinse them out, and I noticed there's really no hot water. As a matter of fact, I noticed it earlier this evening when I took a shower. It was just like warm water, and it didn't last too long. So I'm assuming that when I cleaned my furnace filter and I had a lawn chair in there and I leaned it against the water heater, somehow I touched the dial, the temperature dial on the water heater, and I must have moved or something. Anyway, I have to go back in there now and see if I can fix the temperature gauge on the water heater. So that's what I'm doing now. 11:30, like I said, 11:30 p.m. December 9th. So I can get some hot water for immediately to rinse out the cat pans, and so it's correct. That's yeah. So I have to do it. So. I mean, I'm not even sure what the correct temperature is. Well, it gives you a range anyway. I'll see what it's at. Okay. Going in there then. Well, let's see. Right here is the I guess where it's supposed to be. Up here at the middle, in the white line here, it's looks like it's a little on the low side. This looks like the middle. You actually can't see it because it's red, but it's a raised mark that is like in between hot and warm. If I turn it like this. Um, Okay, so these are just lighting instructions for the pilot light. I assume the pilot light's not out. I hope it's not out, because that actually was the problem when I had the hurricane and I had to call a plumber to light it. I mean, you can light it yourself. I don't know how to light it, and it turned out there was water in here, and there was some part that needed to be replaced, and I forget what it was. So I don't know. So we'll see if it's we'll see if it's any better. Because I don't want to turn it up any higher than that. It's a little bit to the. You can't see it on. I can't see it on my viewfinder, but there's a little raised notch right here. So in between hot and warm. So I'll see if that's right. I don't know. Let me see if I can get the water heater to kick off. Okay, well, it's not. I don't hear it kicking off, and in the water, it's not. It's not kicking off. I really don't know how it's supposed to go. I've done this maybe a couple of times, a handful of times. I've done this like a handful of times since I've been here by myself. All right, I don't know. Basically, I'll see if it gets any. I don't know. Basically, if I yeah, I'll tell you what. I would have a problem because I really don't. You can do it yourself. I don't feel comfortable lighting the water heater by myself. You need to. You basically need like a long. Like a charcoal grill lighter or something that's long, barbecue, something that's long. I don't have that. So basically, I can't light my water heater if it's out. If the pilot light is out, I can't light my water heater. But we'll see what happens, and I'll upload this now.